Peter with Dent Express. Let's see what I'm going to work on today. Oh, we have a nice bodyline dent on the hood of this Kia. I'll see you in a little while to show you what's going on. One of my favorite ways of working on these deep bodyline dents is lateral tension. Check this out. Lateral tension pulls the dent from either side and helps relieve the buildup pressure inside the dent. We'll see you in a little bit. Another successful bodyline repair. That was a sharp crease on that bodyline. It's not a problem with paintless dent repair. If you have a dent like this or on the side of your vehicle, don't hesitate to give me a call. Peter with Dent Express. Thank you. Goodbye.